Hello, my name is Ungar Villamizar and this is MedOps, the final project for CS50W web programming with Python and JavaScript. MedOps is an elite audited clinical management platform designed with institutional rigor, professional deployment, and robust architecture. It is not just a digital agenda, it is a large-scale, secure, and reproducible system ready for real-world use. Login, logout. We begin by logging in with token-based authentication. Each session is secure, auditable, and controlled. Logging out confirms that the system properly managed the authentication cycle. Dashboard overview. This is the main dashboard. Here, we visualize the clinical and financial state of the system, active consultations, registered patients, confirmed and pending payments. The design is sober, professional, and responsive, optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Clinical workflow. MedOps provides a complete clinical workflow, covering every stage of patient care and institutional management. Waiting room. Patients arrive and are registered in the waiting room. Their status is tracked in real time, waiting, in consultation, complete, or cancelled. This ensures the clinical flow is transparent and auditable. Patients model. Here we manage the full list of patients. We can view patients' details, edit information, and perform current operations with precision. Each patient record is institutional, auditable, and linked to consultations, appointments, and financial records. Appointments model. MedOps includes a complete appointment calendar. We can schedule new appointments, view lists of upcoming consultations, and access detailed appointment records. Current operations are support, ensuring reproducibility and clarity in scheduling. Consultations. During a consultation, we manage patient data, diagnosis, treatments, prescriptions, referrals, and clinical documents. Once finalized, the consultation integrates seamlessly with the waiting room and the patient record. Payments model. Financial management is integrated. We can view the list of share orders, register payments, access detailed share order records, and export financial documents. Each transaction is auditable, ensuring compliance and institutional trust. Financial management. MedOps allows us to manage confirmed, cancelled, and extend payments. Each financial order has a balance, a status, and full traceability. The system supports multiple currencies and institutional support of orders. Notifications. Every clinical or financial event generates a real-time notification. This enables timely decisions and immediate follow-up. Alerts appear instantly in the interface without reloading. Audit and Export. Now we access the audit module. Here, institutional logs are recorded and can be exported in PDF and XLSX. Every action is documented for compliance and reproducibility. This ensures MedOps is a fully auditable system. Interactive charts. Clinical and financial trends are visualized with interactive charts. Using Sharp.js, we display the evolution of consultations, payments, diagnosis, and more. The visualization is clear, professional, and dynamic. Deployment proof. The backend runs with Django and DRF. For this demo, we use Python manage.py run server, but the system is production ready with unicorn engines and deployment on Ubuntu and AWS. All the steps are documented for reproducibility. This project is possible thanks to CS50 and Harvard University. MedOps is a proof of competence, gratitude, and institutional vision. In less than 2 months, we have built a professional audited clinical platform ready to scale. Thank you for watching.